Welcome to the Help Tech Dad channel, the non-techie's guide to tech. My name is Reggie. My goal is to help people handle tech issues the easy way. In this video, you will learn how to configure your Windows computer, connect in with your Google account, and browse the Google Play Store to download and run Android apps and games on your Windows computer. You may run your favorite mobile apps and games to enjoy them on a bigger screen just like this one.
Enemy contact!
Let's do this. First, let's activate some Windows features. Let's go ahead and do a search by typing. Turn Windows features on or off. Then click on the first result. Now click on the following boxes. Hyper-V, Windows Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform, Windows Sandbox, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Then click OK button. It'll finish the setup. Just click Reboot Now button to restart your computer. Now, let's open up our browser and search for Bluestacks. Choose the first link to open the website. On this page, click the See All Versions link. Here are the versions you can choose from. I will choose the Pi 64-bit version, but I suggest you use the Nougat 32-bit version to be on the safe side. I'll click on the Download button. Once done, I'll run the installer. Then click on the Install Now button. Bluestacks is an Android emulator that provides a virtual environment on a computer that is similar to a smartphone or tablet running Android OS. This allows users to install and run mobile apps and games on their computers using their mouse, keyboard, and a larger screen. We have now successfully installed Bluestacks. Now let's run it by right-clicking on the icon and choose Run as Administrator. It will then load up the program interface. Straight away, let's open the Google Play Store. Click on the Sign In button. Then log in to your Google account. We now have access to Google Play Store. You can now install any of these apps or games to your PC. How cool is that? Now let's try to install few games and test them out. Let's go to Categories, then choose Action Games. From here, we can choose any of these games and run them on our computer. Okay, let's try this game. Just click on Install button. Just wait for a while to complete the process. As you can see, it created a shortcut on my desktop for quick access. Now, just double-click it to run the game. It'll do some updates and optimizations. Check out the gameplays.
Target neutralized. Hostile neutralized.
Now let's try another game. Let's install Call of Duty. Click on the Install button. Then double-click the icon on the desktop. Click on the OK button to grant access to your storage. Then wait for a while to complete the process. Just click on the Accept button to continue. Then choose the Guest button. You can type in your chosen name or call sign. I'll type Help Tech Dad and hit OK button. Check out the gameplay.
Online. Targets in sight. Target down. Tango down. We've taken the lead. Targets in sight. Reloading. Cover me. Close. Fight harder. Enemy down. UAV recon ready for deployment. Target down. I'm hurt. Enemy in sight. Reloading. Cover me. Tango down. Hunter killer drone on standby. Enemy contact. Reloading. Contact with enemy. Enemy down. Predator missile on standby. Enemy in sight. Changing mag. Cover me. Target in sight. Reloading. Cover me. Enemy in sight. UAV online. Contact with enemy. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Enemy in sight. Target down. Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Targets in sight. Reloading.
How cool was that? So what are you waiting for? Try it now and experience Android on your Windows computer like never before. Let me know in the comments section below if you need further assistance. I'd be glad to help. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and share it. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more tech videos like this. Thank you for watching. Until next time.